Let me guess. You love making mobile apps. Bitcoin predictors and Flippy Bird games. That's cute. Me? I'm a super app. Yeah, that's right. Super. Name's Gojek. Baby app killer. How am I super? School's in. Ready to learn some Stranger Things? Here we go. Welcome to Indonesia, the crown jewel of the East. 18,000 plus islands, but 22 billion minutes wasted in traffic. And the land of me, Gojek, super app. Me, my transport, delivery, food, repairs, massage. Ooh, nice. Payment, bills, rewards, shopping, business. You get the point. I do 100 million orders every month. Wait, what? No, yes, you heard me. 18 plus products for 261 million people. Who you gonna call? Me. I do it all faster than you can beam Scotty. Still with me? Good. Think you're a linguist? Say
Makasih, mas.
to one of the largest JRuby, Java, and Go clusters in Asia. 1 in 4 Indonesians have me in their pocket. Even your grandma. Every day, my riders cover 16.5 million kilometers. That's more than 21 round trips to the moon. Does your app go where no man's gone before? I didn't think so. Oh, sorry, Neil. Most importantly, 2.5 million people rely on me for their income every day. I help fill bellies, run businesses, and move an entire nation. I know. Where do I get the energy? Wait, now going to other countries too? Vietnam, Singapore, Thailand, and Philippines? You ready? Now, what were you saying? Right, you're looking for a job. Say something super? Come help us, Slay.